Hi, Roger. You want to try a new treat? Come on. Ugh. Can't get this open with one hand, my friend. It's not easy. Come on, Bubba. Step up. Good boy. Oh, very excited. Step up. Okay. Get in your eating spot. Okay. Step down. Oh, I saw we. Oh. Yeah. You can come back? Roger? Thank you, Fran. Okay. Now, you've never had this before. We're going to try it, okay? This is called a sweet potato. I like these. So you might like these. Oh, it's scary? Okay, here. Smell it. Try it. You don't know? It is scary. Should I have broke it up? Should be smaller. Here, what if I put it right here? If I sit it down? What's that? Are you scared of the sweet potato? They're so good. Oh, hello. Cheese. You gonna try it again? What if we get closer? Are we gonna... Yeah? Okay. Well, we don't have to try the sweet potato right now. Here, let me put it somewhere else. Let me put it over here. Okay. Step down. Can you get back on your spot? Okay. All right. Here. Step up. Good boy. Step down. No? What if we go this way? Step down. Good boy. Okay. Try again. Okay, wait. I have it. Let's try this. Let's just take a little piece here. Yeah. And then, do we want to try it like that? Is it good? I think you like it. Try more? My finger's all dirty. Yeah, it's yummy. It's orange. It's like, you can't beat yummy and orange, right? Yeah, that's what I always say. I guess. Here, you want that last piece? Good boy. You like the sweet potato? See, that wasn't scary. No. Ooh. All right, come here. Step up. Good boy. Step down. Maybe. Maybe not. Step down. Good boy. Okay. What if I bring the big piece in again? I'll just stay over here. Okay. Smaller pieces it is. Lesson learned. Thank you. I appreciate your... Oh, look at the little hop. Oh, my heart. Hop your way right into my heart, baby. Here, I'll put this down. Step up. Roger, step up. Maybe. Yeah? Clean your face off. Good boy. I love you. I do. I love you so much. Step up. Good boy. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.